for on this video. I know that I'm using English, I'm not blocking, but okay, let me just use English. So on today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money online. Simple way, very easy to do. Even a learner, a beginner, a toad can do this. Actually, self, I'm a toad. We are all in this journey together on of how to make money online. So I saw this platform, I saw this website online, and I tried to check it out. So before me doing this video, that means this website is working. As for now, like, it's working. So on this website, you can actually deposit, which I know we are not here to deposit. We are here to make money. So how do we make money from this website? Like, you can actually make money from this website by actually inviting your friends to join this website, and for every friend you invite, you get 35 naira. For every friend you invite, you get 35 naira. Okay, so I joined this platform, like, let me say 2 hours ago. Yeah, 2 hours ago, and I'm already making 950, 945, sorry. Yeah, yeah. So it's very easy to join. It's very simple, it's very simple. So how does this site work? For example, you go to your home page, click on invitation, then copy your link or your invitation code. Then please don't mind the noise in my background though. Then go to go to any platform, any media, or tell your friends, hey, join this platform, it pays you money, blah 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 blah. Just confuse them, because it pays them money to join. And you cannot log into this site without a referral code. So I will leave my referral code down in this video so that you can join and invite your friends. So it's very easy, it's paying, it's easy to join. So you can join now. Very easy, you can download the app or anything, but make sure you invite your friends every day to join this platform. That's how we make money. And I don't know, you'll be asking, how much should I make, or the minimum amount to withdraw? Okay, the minimum amount to withdraw, let's go to FAQ. So the minimum amount for you to withdraw on this website, if you are a free VIP user, like, you don't pay any money to join, if you're a free user, the minimum amount for you to withdraw is when you reach 4,000 naira. So that is the minimum amount for you to withdraw. But if you make a deposit to join, that one is another issue. But for me, I'm a free VIP, so the minimum amount for you to withdraw is 4,000 naira. So check out this site. I will leave a referral link down in this video, because you cannot log into this site without a referral link. So use my referral link to get a bonus. Thank you for watching this video.